When I know the guy them start out, doing music, the whole Inna the Yard project together.
Well, the Inna the Yard started back in about 2003-4 when Nicholas and Roman came to China's yard or China Smith, and Winston had done an acoustic LP before, and the boys loved it, so they thought of doing similar stuff. So they came to Jamaica, China's yard. So China, myself and stuff, and we started basically from there. Then myself, China, then we Linval, Thomas Jr., Mervyn, Cedric, Diamonds, Duraja, a number of other young artists, right, were recorded in that period, and then the company went nice for a while, and then it plummeted. It went downhill, and so this is the rebirth again of the second spring.
The cycle change.
The cycle change, see?
New moon.
New moon. Yeah, new moon, just say, right?
Alright. What are some of the songs you're known for the whole Inna the Yard project?
Inna the Yard, there's many different artists with many different songs that has been recorded, like you said here, for instance. You have, Alba Winston McCann joining on the tour. You have, as I said, Diamonds before, Junior Mervyn, you had Linval Thompson, you had the Viceroys, you had Kiddo myself, and you had young Kush McAnuff. No, you had before Kush. Well, Kush was always there as a drummer, but his brother Matthew and Duraja, right? Some other artists who were recorded but haven't traveled with us yet, So the songs, each one of them have big songs on the wood, so I can't bother go over the whole repertoire of the songs, right? But you more or less, if you listen, right? Because Cedric could have do certain songs, this is his song, and I do certain songs, each verse more or less, right? Yeah, so.
Okay. And talk to us about the musical journey. I guess you just really answer that,
right?
Yeah.
It's a fear that we see to I as the ancients in the business, more so who carry the baton for such a while, right? Join up, if you notice, from the beginning, we include the youths, right? So, we go and come out and the baton has to change, right? So they are in preparation for such, and at this moment, the sphere that we are, the possibilities is limitless, right? And the proper management as seemingly this new company is offering to us, the sky is the limit. So in the next few years when I step off and whatever, these youngsters now will be the ones who will come in and check it out. I think Inna the Yard will be able to run for as long as music is played, per se. It will become a hallmark to the industry that ones can always come on the via and travel. You understand?
As a vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. So what can we expect in the near future?
Better and better and better and better. And tonight you're only going to see it, right?
Apart, Congo's live and direct, Cedric Mike, Living Color, Kiddo and as new recruit, amongst us. But it's going good. The Inna the Yard is on a different level. Musically, it's acoustic, and it's cultural, and it's physical, and it's musical, and it's spiritual also.
Natural.
And it's for the people, culturally, enlightenment and many messages that we gonna make sure the people or our people listen or understand culturally, and governmentally, for a nation without a government, they're not going anywhere. That's my whole idea. Me, for the Rasta man, I've been here all this time, and the Rasta people them still don't have a government. That means the Rasta people are joke too. We don't have a government. That means we're lack of the things that we should be doing for children's sake. And I don't know if it's timidness or we're afraid of doing things, or we're afraid of the system captivating us more. We have been already captivated by the system, and we have been working for the system all this time.
and how important it is for like what Inna the Yard is doing now, this project bridging the generation gap between the elders and the youth. How important is that to the
Yeah,
idea?
man, it's great, man. It's a great transition. It's a great mystic work that is in the future and in the past, and we're going to bring it to the front line right now to cultivate, multiply mystical roots, music, culturally, spiritual, physically for our generation.
So you have to preserve it.
And Vaughn, as like a younger member, how do you feel being such a part of a great transition as like one of the premiers in like the whole, like, you know, mixing with the elders and everything and pushing the music forward? How you learn from them and how, you know, like, you know, certain tips and pointers them can give you because they've been doing it for over the years and all these things.
As it may be in the yard. So when you walk in the yard and you see the elders, you must respect, humility, listen, learn. You understand me? I say because I saw the whole thing from passed down to I and I. You understand me? Because yeah, I and I as the youth as the future, but if we not get the good guidance from the IDM, if we not get the good and the right teachings from the IDM, then you find so we're gonna move forward and do a next thing when the whole mission is not to do nothing new. You know, see, the whole mission have to carry on the baton because the same struggle, same way from them time, they still know nothing not change. You understand me? So that's the sharpening I get from the IDM now.
Irons, you know, sharpen irons.
Yeah, and the sharpening I get right now. You know, see it? So we give thanks to that man. We give thanks to that man how it's far right now.
Alright. Well, I mean, we don't have no more questions for the item right now, but I mean, it's a pleasure, you know what I mean? Chilling with the item and thing.
The music will tell the rest. The music
Yeah.
will bring the message to the rest of the world. It's universal.
Yes, right.
You know, the Rasta man's decree, in a sense, is one aim, one heart, one destiny for mankind, you know. A sovereign spiritual souls together. I and I only have a message at 12 o'clock. When I try to give a message which take you off of the track and send you off course to 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock. We like it at 12 o'clock. So to deprogram and reprogram the mindset of people, right? The music gives the opportunity because the music crosses over the barriers and the boundaries and the borders, right? We travel through the year, and from the message that is used can stimulate and motivate the minds of the people with a positive message for reconstruction so that we can have self-sufficiency through food, clothing and shelter. Sick, nourished, aged, protected and the infants cared for. That is our duty and purpose as Rastafarians and as spiritual sovereign souls of Mama Earth. Rastafari.
Give thanks to the Rastafari.